Good evening, everyone. Madonna here. Because I had Monica on the table today and I've shared that video with you, she's lost 38 kilos on HCG over the last couple of years in different rounds. We both joke that, maybe she's put on and lost about 130 kilos, but, generally she has net lost 38 kilos, which is quite amazing. And because we do her VLA bioimpedance regularly, we can see the good changes that really do happen when you put your mind to it and you look after your body. So I just wanted to quickly mention why I believe it works so well. I've been doing it for 14 years now. We use a homeopathic HCG. What that does is stimulates the hypothalamus in the brain to release brown fat. Brown fat is hidden in and around all the major organs of our body, and guess when? When we're under stress. Now that's sort of interesting, isn't it? So or when we're pregnant, but basically it's when we're under stress. So when we're under stress, the nutrition in our bloodstream is stolen and it's hidden around our heart, our lungs, our liver, our kidneys, our abdominal organs. And then we can't access it until we're starving to death or freezing to death. Our brain turns into a 10,000-year-old person when every year we would have 3 months where we were going to starve or freeze. So that's why HCG works so well. And the guy, Dr. Simians, who died like 50 years ago, who developed it, he spent 20 years developing this process. And he was an amazing human being. He was the first person who really talked about the brain in relation to weight loss instead of just your thyroid or just your liver or just exercise or just diet. He actually had a whole other system. It is a very challenging diet. It's 500 calories. It's not easy, but when people do it well, they get amazing results. And consolidation, which means once your fat cells have shrunk and been eliminated, then you've got to do consolidation for the same number of days as you did the HCG diet for. That's where most people don't do it properly because, once again, that's where Monica has just been a champion. She's doing intermittent fasting. She's doing the steak days. She's doing apple days. Really quite spectacular. So for anyone who is thinking of HCG, if you've got a good pracky near you, I highly recommend it. It works a treat when done correctly. When not done correctly, of course it doesn't bloody work. Anyway, have a good night. Bye.